After they make everything that's valuable, that they call valuable, out of oil, plastics, drugs, pesticides, industrial chemicals, everything that's left over is dumped into the gasoline. So on any given day, there are 400 toxic chemicals in gasoline, and those will not necessarily be the same chemicals the next day. It's whatever's left over. So gasoline is the biggest toxic waste disposal system in the world, and it's in the open, and it's legal. They're able to use our cars to spew their toxic waste back into the air, and they make something like $2,500 from a barrel of oil from the other chemicals, and they make $100 from the gasoline. And they don't care if they made zero, because they get rid of all their toxic waste. So you've all been dealing with the issue of MTBE, right? We've all heard about this stuff. Finally, we got it outlawed in California. MTBE is only made at 3 or 4 refineries in the world, and it's not made. It's left over from another process. And because it's got some ether in it, so it's got some oxygen in it, they were able to force Congress to let them use that instead of alcohol to clean up emissions from gasoline. And basically, it was a byproduct they had no use for and was going to cost them a fortune to get rid of, and they dumped it in the gasoline. So finally, after 20-something years, we said, that stuff's toxic. And we're finally taking it out. But it's really a refinery byproduct. You got to realize all of gasoline is refinery byproduct.